Hey guys! So we have got a fun little home update for you today. It's funny, Shaye and I were watching old videos and we forget how empty this house used to be. And just one by one, we keep adding little details to our home. Today, we are focusing on the dining nook. And this is a spot we've gone back and forth on. There's just this wall that is begging for a beautiful piece of art or something there that's striking. So we talked about doing some DIY abstract art like we did in here. We talked about putting in a beautiful Victorian landscape painting, and we just couldn't really settle on anything. So we think we've finally found something that's going to be awesome. So I'll show you.
And here it is.
So yeah, this is LG's 2020 OLED G1065 because it's 65 inches, and it's also known as their gallery design.
And it's beautiful.
Yes, basically a massive digital display for art or of course watching TV. And we'll tell you guys more about all the cool things this does in just a little bit. I also wanted to give you an update on this dining nook and a couple of things that we've changed in here. Okay, so for the longest time, we did not have a rug in here and I did not realize what the space was missing. But this rug is from Ruggable. It's a washable rug, which is super nice. So you can just like peel it off this mat and wash it. One thing that's not so nice is my little Desmond took some scissors to it. You can see that right there, but it's held up really well. Still, those little toddlers, man, they keep you on your toes. So, loving how this is giving a space color and framing out this table better. This furniture has not changed. We got all of this furniture on Amazon, and if you want to learn more about it, you can go and find our kitchen reveal video. But this concrete tabletop, it kind of shows a lot of fingerprints and it's a little bit high maintenance, but it just adds so much warmth here. I'm really glad that we went with this, and all these chairs have been great too. One thing that is really missing here now is I used to have a succulent centerpiece here, but another thing Desmond loves to do is unpot those succulents and throw them on the ground. And so those died, and I'm going to replace those so that we have some pretty green plants over here. So as part of this video, I'm gonna go and get those today, and I think it's coming together.
All right, so to tell you a little bit more about the TV we have in here, I should mention, you notice there's some glare bouncing off the TV, and that's because we have lots of light coming in this room, which is good, but we're planning to actually add some shades in here so that we can reduce that glare. So right off the bat, one of the things we love about this television is the super thin profile. So again, this is called their gallery design television. So the reason being is that they were able to get all the components essentially smashed into this very thin profile design that essentially looks like a picture frame on your wall. The mounting bracket they used in this is really cool too. I was really surprised to see how thin that was, but I guess it makes sense because that's the only way you can get it as flush as it is, and it works. So this is a major reason we were totally okay with having this in the space, is that it looks super thin and super sleek, thus able to be a picture frame / television. Another thing we love about this television is that it is a OLED TV. Now, for those of you guys that don't know what OLEDs are, they are amazing, and once you get one, you'll probably never go back. The reason being is that they are self-lit pixels. So each individual pixel has the ability to turn off and on, which in translation means that you get pure blacks. Now for us personally, using this as a art display, it just really pops. So any piece of art we stuck on there, or using LG's own embedded art gallery app, it looks awesome.
One of the features on this TV that we're most excited about is the art gallery. And basically this just allows you to display beautiful art masterpieces as well as nature photography on this display, and it is stunning. This really helps us fulfill that dual purpose of having a TV, for entertainment, but also having a beautiful digital art display as you walk into our main space.
Another feature that this television includes is what they call filmmaker mode. And essentially what that does is it takes all of the pre-processing that you see often with televisions, where they'll add in extra frames when you're watching a movie, also known as the soap opera look, and removes that and shows the film exactly as the director intended. So this TV includes Dolby Vision IQ as well as Dolby Atmos, so that ensures that you're getting the best visual quality as well as sound. One thing that surprised me was how good the sound quality is coming out of this very thin profile TV. Yes, having external speakers will always be best, but I have to say the speakers are pretty decent considering it's coming from this very thin television. To navigate around, LG uses WebOS that utilizes a card interface. This is something they've been using for a few years now, and for the most part, it's very straightforward. The interface includes a lot of your common streaming apps such as YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, but also has an app store to add a few more to your collection. To move about the UI, the TV comes with LG's Magic Remote, that's what they call it, which uses a pointer to get around. I found this to be pretty intuitive as opposed to the standard D-pad-like interface you see on most TVs. The remote also has a built-in assistant button. Hi LG, open Disney+. And if you don't want to use your remote for voice control, you can also use the TV. To do this, you can set up your television to use Alexa or Google, or by saying, "Hi LG," I can use that as a way to navigate from app to app. You can also utilize it to check things like, say, the weather. Hi LG, what's the weather? Another feature worth mentioning is that this TV does include NVIDIA's G-Sync, so if you're a gamer, it makes your frames buttery smooth. Overall, I'm very happy with this television. Every time I walk into this room, I'm amazed by the ultra low profile that they managed to create, and it looks awesome on our wall. So if you're looking for a gallery TV to feature art and to use as a television, this might be the one to get. And for the record, it doesn't include a TV stand, so when purchasing the gallery version of this TV, just keep that in mind.
Well, this is very sad.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah, both of these died.
They did not work out so good for us the first time.
I did it!
Yes, you did it, Desmond. You ripped all of those out. Oh no. Okay, Em, so you wanna go shopping with me at the nursery and we can go on a little date and get this all updated. What do you think?
Yep.
This is pretty sad.
You said.
Oh, here we go. Hey, lots of different succulents and cacti. Wow, gold ones. I don't think we're gonna get the gold though, sis. Okay, Em, so which ones do you think we should get?
You should get this one.
Oh, that one is pretty. You wanna put that one on the cart?
And I also thought
Ooh.
we could get this one.
Oh, that one is pretty. Okay, you pick a couple. We want them to all be a little bit different. And I think the cacti are super cute, but you know, little hands, those are not the best choice probably. All right, cutie, you've been a good helper. So we've got 6 big ones and 3 little ones. That should just about do it.
Yeah.
Give me 5. Yeah. All right. Got these all here. I think these are gonna work really nicely. The thing I love about succulents is they have the best names. Like this one is Dusty Rose, Petra's Fanfare. This one's Petra's Sunfire, though those look totally different. This is the Campfire Plant. Ooh, I love that one. Miniature Pine Tree, and the Miranda. All right, now it's time to put them all together. Don't touch.
It smells chocolate. No.
You smell chocolate? And now I just need to clean all this up. It would have been cleaner to pot these outside, but not in 105-degree weather.
Look how cute this plant.
Yep, they turned out good, huh? What do you think, Desmond? Are you going to be nice to the plant? To be honest, I don't know that I would always want the TV screen on at meal times, but it is just a fun, relaxing way to enjoy a meal sometimes. You watch your show?
Yeah, I lost it.
Okay.
Also.
So we are pretty thrilled about having this beautiful display in our dining nook. I never thought about putting a TV here just because I didn't know one could look so sleek and just minimalist. But so functional for us because we can use it as, of course, a television and as a beautiful art display. Really happy with how this turned out. Thanks for joining us, you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.